You may feel trapped today. Everything seems heavy. Every breath feels harder than the last. You might think the darkness will never end. But pause for a moment and listen carefully. Even the heaviest nights end with dawn. There is a mercy waiting for you, a miracle that is quietly approaching your life. You may not see it yet, but Allah has not forgotten you. Life tests everyone. Sometimes it feels like no matter how hard you try, doors stay closed, people disappoint, and situations crush your spirit. You might ask, why me? Why now? These questions are natural. Your feelings are valid. But every challenge carries a hidden purpose. Every struggle is shaping a stronger, wiser version of yourself. Allah's timing is perfect, even when your heart feels impatient. Think about moments when you prayed in silence, hoping for relief, hoping for guidance. You may not have noticed, but small signs appeared, a word of encouragement, a sudden opportunity, a new path you never expected. Miracles often arrive quietly, in ways that feel ordinary, but their impact is extraordinary. You do not need to see the entire picture to trust that Allah is working. Do not let hopelessness consume your heart. Every night of struggle, every tear you shed, is noticed. Allah hears the whisper of your soul. You are never alone. When you feel like giving up, remind yourself of your inner strength. Your patience today is planting the seed for your tomorrow. What seems impossible now may become the turning point of your life. Look around and reflect. Life is full of small blessings that remind you that mercy exists. Your family, your friends, your health, the breath you take, even the smallest moments of joy, they are all signs of Allah's care. Sometimes, miracles arrive through people, through events, or even through your own efforts guided by faith. Keep your heart open. Keep praying. Keep hoping. Difficult times are not permanent. Clouds block the sun only for a while. Your breakthrough is coming. Allah has a plan for you that is greater than anything you can imagine. You may not see the path clearly, but every step you take in patience and faith brings you closer to your miracle. Trust the timing, trust the process, and trust yourself to endure. Remember, hope is not a weakness, it is your strongest weapon. Do not underestimate the power of a heart that refuses to surrender to despair. Every challenge you overcome strengthens your character, purifies your soul, and prepares you for blessings that you cannot yet see. Your story is unfolding in divine wisdom, and the best chapters are yet to come. Hold on today. Pray today. Smile today, even if it feels forced. Because Allah is near, working in ways invisible but profound. Your miracle may arrive in a whisper, a message, a person, or an unexpected solution. Keep believing, keep moving, and keep your heart full of hope. The moment you feel weakest might be the moment Allah lifts you highest. If this message touched your heart, remember to share it with someone who needs hope today. Like this video if it reminded you to trust in Allah, and subscribe to join a community that lifts each other in faith and patience. Your difficult situation is temporary. Your miracle is on its way. Never forget that.